To answer your question about the accommodation, normally guys, kahit saan kayong pumunta na country, except na lang if, kunwari, yung sa mga Middle East, di ba may mga, ano sila doon, housing. But for Canada, kahit pumunta ka dito ng mag-work or mag-aaral, you have to find your own accommodation. For this one, for Austria, the school offers accommodation. However, it's limited seat. I think nasa 100 plus lang yung, para kasi siyang dorm. However, limited lang yun and mag-apply ka, tapos naka-waitlist ka. Pero, usually, mas mahal kasi yon. And then, hindi ka po pwede magluto doon. Karamihan sa mga Pilipino, naghahanap talaga sila ng sarili nilang marirent outside of the school. So that they can still cook. Also, mas makakatipid siguro kayo in terms of food kapag nagluto kayo. A lot of times, it's more expensive kasi walking distance ka lang sa school. And a lot of times, mas madaming rules or stricter yung policies nila when it comes to cooking. Kasi syempre pag nagkasunog doon, pati yung campus damay, di ba? They want the campus to be safe. So, hindi ko naman sinasabing 100%, but more often than not, bawal magluto. So, walang cooking facilities. You just have to buy your own food. Probably may cafeteria or restaurants nearby. Or sa mga iba kasi kasama yung tawag nila homestay, tapos may cooked food. Pero magbabayad ka. Kunwari, $10 per meal. So, kunwari, ang kukuhain mo is breakfast, lunch, and dinner. $30 daily yung additional mo. If kukuhain mo lang is lunch, like $10 per day lang yung dagdag mo, then ganun lang siya. Pero, marami akong nakikilala na nagrereklamo sila sa kasi, you know, these are Western country. Never magsaserve ng rice yan. Bibigay lang sa'yo biscuit and juice for breakfast. O kaya naman sandwich and juice. Oh, mga ganyan lang. So, do not expect that it's something filling for an Asian stomach. Right? You cannot expect na, oh, okay, rice and adobo. No.